Hi everybody! So today's video is going to be a request from Kavielicious, who by the way is amazing and you should go and totally check out her channel. She requested a Piggie organisation and room tour video, so that's what I'm going to do for you today. I'll just show you the cage first because it looks quite nice today. I cleaned it yesterday and I put the pink fleece on, which seems to last longer than other fleeces. The Heidi hut has been a success. They actually haven't gone in it much. I have washed the pad in the bottom, and none of the weed soaked through to the actual thing, so I was quite happy with that. And they've both absolutely loved it. I'm actually considering making another one and having them side by side so they can both be asleep in it at the same time. Hey, hello pig. Should we go see Sprite? She's munching on some hay now. Hi Piggy. So on with the organisation part first. Basically, for those who don't know, I live in a student house and basically I have just, my room is my own space, so although it's quite a big room, it's I have to keep everything in it and it's not all in one place because of that. She just did a yawn. So this is like a convenient little bedside table, I guess, that I've moved over here next to their cage, and I basically just use it to put Piggy things in, and then there's other bits around the room as well. Just out of here, this is where I keep their newspaper, just to clean out their litter trays with that. Then in here, first drawer, bags for obvious cleaning out purposes. This, which I haven't used it in a while, but they're still like that. It used to be full of stuff, but they ate it all. And other treats are also in here, such as these Excel Mountain Meadow herbs, which they like occasionally. Oh, they've still got one of these left. I bought them as a treat. They really like these. Excel again, Nature Snacks rolled grass with dandelion. Sprite's coming to see what's going on. Do you want your treat? Oh, Piggy! Shall I be nice and give it to you then? Look at her. Are you begging? Or are you going to bite on the camera thing? If I can get it out one-handed. Well, it's getting it out of the wrong end, that's why. He's going to run off with it. Come on. Come this way with it. Let's go and eat it in here so it won't be messy. Come on. There, you can go and chew on it in there. You're all confused now. Go on, go in there. Oh, you're so daft sometimes. Here. Here. There. What I'll probably end up doing is breaking that in half because they're not very good at sharing, as you probably know if you've watched my videos. Was alfalfa bales, which I don't give them that much. You shouldn't feed them alfalfa too much because it's high in calcium. Sprite's coming again. I'm just going to I'm sure they're going to scatter that everywhere now, but anyway. So the bottom drawer here has dustpan and brush, cleaning things, that's just a new one because the other one's running out, and toilet paper to wipe the cage with, and then some magazines in case I run out of newspaper. So that's just basic cleaning stuff in there. Over here, that's where I keep their food. So as you probably know, I feed them guinea pig XL. They've actually got both types at the minute. That's just the blackcurrant and oregano one. So they are the same type of food, it's just got some different flavour to it. so it's not like introducing a new food to them or anything. They just have a mix of them and they like them both equally, which is good. And then, you're probably wondering where the hay is. It's over here, underneath the bed. They've got, oh, this is their favourite hay. For anyone in the UK, I recommend Jolly's hay because it's so nice and soft. I find some hays like straw-like and can be a bit like, I don't know, not very soft. So this is really nice stuff, and I think they like it. It's their favourite hay of the ones that I get. I sometimes get them from the pet shop in Sheffield, but they're not that good. So other things that I use for their cage, such as various hidey huts and tunnels and things, they also go under the bed over here. There's their playpen thing, their wooden thing, which I'm actually going to throw out because it's gone all mouldy. In here, oh, they've got some more treat here. They've got Herbal Delight in there. This is just the box of stuff that I put all their guinea pig things in when I take them home with me. And then as for soft things, I keep them in here. Oh, actually, no, I've moved them now. I've moved them down to the bottom of the wardrobe, the ones that I use for my girls. But up here I have everything like fleeces and material and stuff that I've made and I'm going to sell. These are the 3 newest things I've made. Tunnel, fleece sack, bed, and they're all in the paisley fabric, which I absolutely love, with this really soft light blue fleece. If you watched my last video, I said about my things on eBay. Actually most of them have sold now. The only things that I've got left are these 2 beds. That one's like that, and that one's like that with orange inside. And I can't put anything else on eBay yet because I'm a new seller, so I'm only allowed to put on 10 things a month, which is a bit annoying. These things up here have sold, so I'm just waiting on payment for that. And someone from Australia has bought them too, which is good. So as for the room tour, I don't really know what to do really, because I think I've watched people's room tours before, but I'll just go with the flow. It's a bit annoying as well because my room has some massive mirrors in it. Not like I'm vain or anything, they're just there. Like this one was here in the, as I said before, I live in a student house and you're not allowed to move around furniture and stuff really. So my room has got this massive mirror in. I've also put a full length mirror in because I can't see myself properly in there. I sound really vain now. That's not the case. There's my calendar, which obviously is guinea pigs, and it's got some really cute pictures. Proboscis monkey that I got from Borneo. Door. This is the chest of drawers which I use as my bedside table, and that's got all my clothes and stuff in it. That's my nice lamp from IKEA, and jewellery bits and bobs down here. There's my bed. Again, most of the stuff that I bought for my room is from IKEA because it's cheap and nice. And then over here the wardrobe, which you were just looking in at all the guinea pig things. The wadding is on top there because it won't fit in the wardrobe. Then just I've got some more things like books and stuff on my bookshelf and bits of perfume and bits and bobs on there. And on my desk I have my laptop and other bits and pieces over here. So as I said, I'm a student. My course is zoology and I'm in my 3rd year, which is not the last year for me because I'm actually doing a master's which carries on straight after my 3rd year. So anyway, at the moment I am writing my dissertation. This book is coming in very handy, and I've also got some modules on animal behaviour in general at the minute. So that's just some course stuff there. Sewing machine down here. I'm about to make them another hidey hut, so I've just stuffed that stuff in there. I'm gonna try and make it slightly bigger and then just have it next to that one. So you're probably wondering why I have 2 doors. That is the door to the rest of the house. That is the door to outside, and though I don't use it, it's just because, as I said, I live in a student house, and in the UK lots of student houses have their dining room or front room, whatever it might be, changed into a bedroom so they can squeeze more people in. And I actually prefer having the downstairs room. I asked to have it because it's usually bigger. I really like my room this year, and I don't mind having the front door. Sometimes people knock on it by accident. Not, well, they obviously want to get into the house or deliver something, and they go to the wrong door, which can be a bit annoying, but apart from that I don't really mind. So I just hang my coat on it and stuff there. So yeah, that's a painting thing that I got from Thailand. I went to Thailand last summer. I also went to Borneo as part of my course. There's obviously lots of stuff I can talk about in my room, but I don't want to bore you guys too much. So if there's anything you have questions about, if you want to ask me about my course and stuff, then that would be cool. That's about it, I think. I'll just give you a brief overview without looking in the mirror. There's my hot water bottle from Paper Chase. He's so cute. Yep, so I think on that note we can say goodbye, can't we, Pixie? Yeah. You haven't seen much of the piggies in this video, but they're fine. So as I said before, any more requests will be welcome because I love doing videos that people have asked for. If you do have any questions about anything else, like something you've seen in my room and you want to ask me about it, or something about my course, or obviously something about my guinea pigs, or something about the things I make, like the Heidi hut and stuff, then don't hesitate to ask, because I love getting comments and stuff and replying to people. As I suspected, the mess. So I'll leave it there for now, and thank you for watching. I hope it's been reasonably entertaining. Are you going to say bye-bye? Bye-bye, Piggy. Bye-bye, Sprite. I'm just drinking. Yep, she's not going to say bye. Okay, bye from me. Bye-bye.